Hi, welcome. Today I want to share how I make farmer's cheese pancakes. These are so delicious. They're full of protein, calcium, and they're so great for breakfast. I'm using 300 grams of homemade farmer's cheese. I'll put a link below on how I make my own, but you can also use store-bought. Add 1 egg yolk, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I like the cheese to be very blended, so I'm using hand blender to make the cheese very smooth. This can also be done with a food processor, or you can skip this step. Add 1/4 of a cup of flour, use a little flour on the surface of the board and create pancakes with your hands. Flip them over so the other side will be dipped in flour too. And now I'm using this technique with the cup to create a very smooth round shape. This really helps to smooth out the edges. I'm frying my pancakes on coconut oil. I like how it adds a sweet taste to them. Fry them on medium heat, and I close the lid to help the pancakes cook inside. Flip them over and do the same with the other side.